In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add title and introduction text on Clipchamp. If you're new to video editing or just getting started with Clipchamp, you'll find this guide simple and easy to follow. We'll walk through each step at a comfortable pace, ensuring you understand how to enhance your videos with text elements effectively. First, open up your web browser and head to clipchamp.com. This is where we'll begin our journey. If you already have an account, you can simply sign in using your preferred login method. If not, you'll need to set up an account, but for today, let's assume you already have one. Click on sign in and choose to continue with Microsoft for a quick and easy login process. Once that's done, select your Microsoft account and you'll be taken straight to the Clipchamp home interface. On the home screen, you'll find an option that says create a new video. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a blank editing project where all the magic happens. Now the first thing you'll want to do is import your media files. Click on the import media button and select the video files you wish to edit. Once imported, simply drag and drop your video onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. This timeline is where you'll add and edit all your video and audio elements. Now that your video is on the timeline, the next step is to add some text. Hover over to the left hand side of the screen and find the text tab. Click on it to reveal a variety of text styles you can use. Choose a style that fits the aesthetic of your video. Once you've selected a text style, drag and drop it onto the timeline where you'd like the text to appear. This is a crucial step as it determines when and how long the text will display in your video. With your text added to the timeline, click on the text tab again on the right side of the screen to edit its content. You'll see options to change the actual text. Select a different font and adjust the font size, color and background. This customization allows you to match the text styling to the theme of your video, making it more cohesive and visually appealing. Finally, let's add some effects to make your text pop. Go over to the Effects tab. Here, you can choose from various effects to bring your text to life. Whether it's a simple fade in or something more dynamic, selecting the right effect can add the perfect finishing touch to your video. Feel free to experiment with the different effects until you find one that suits your project. And there you have it, you've successfully added and customized title and introduction text to your video using Clipchamp. By following these steps, you can enhance your video content with stylish and informative text, making your projects more engaging and professional.